So let's see what happens. All right, I'm short. 1950. All right, so I want to, okay. All right, I'm taking a scalping here for, let's see here, 20, let's see. It's a point and a half. Point and a half there, so hopefully we get filled here. Come on, baby. Come on. Price can pull back. We know that. Okay. So let's see. I need to see if this is an area because we are at the lower end of the high volume area here. If this is a level sitting right here, I need to take a look and see because it possibly could be. I want to see if we're going to get filled here. Okay, what is this? 19 and a half. Okay. Come on. Look at there. One tick away. Go ahead, fill us. Ah, bounced off of it. Ah. What in the world? There we go. Finally got filled, guys. Okay. All right, so that's the first. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, and once again, I am trading the Emini S&P 500 futures as I do every single day. And this is my live recorded session where I will be posting this to my YouTube channel. Excuse my voice a little raspy this morning. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I want to start off by saying thank you guys. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed to the channel. Thank you to everyone who has liked the videos. If you don't mind, please continue to do so. You know, this information, it helps you more so than it helps me in a sense because I really want to be able to push out content, trading content of my live recorded sessions to just help people out there that may be interested in learning maybe price action or the correct way of trading. And it simply just boils down to just, you know, simplifying your world of trading and simplifying what you have on your charts and basically trade from a bare naked chart, understanding and learning price action and being able to read the market. And that's pretty much what it boils down to. So once you're able to read the market and follow price action, you can start marking levels from on your charts. And from there, you start trading. I mean, as simply as that. You just mark levels, wait for the rejection to pull back, wait for the rejection of failure at the level. And on the rejection of failure, you take your trades. So I want to thank everyone for following the channel. I mean, you guys have been loyal, and I appreciate that. And I hope this is really truly helping people out there that are either beginner or intermediate traders, maybe advanced or experienced. I'm not sure. You know, maybe you pick up on things that maybe you didn't know before. I mean, we all continue to learn through the process, right, of whatever it is that we're trying to learn. So thank you guys for following. Thank you guys for subscribing. And if you are new to the channel right now and it's your first time watching, please take the time to go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell notification icon. That will ensure that you never miss one of the videos that I upload. Because, as I said, I mean, I have nothing to sell. I just really want to, first of all, record my live sessions, and hopefully the others may be able to follow. And in my sessions, I actually explain my trades, meaning the levels I trade from, what I'm looking at, the market, reading market analysis as far as like being able to let you know what I see. And because I always go back to the prior day and look at that and then move forward. Because whatever happened in the past, you know, believe it or not, it actually is testimony to what will happen in the future, pretty much. So, so just being able to read your charts and understand what happened then to be able to understand price action as it's moving and as price is moving to be able to take trades in the current time. So without further ado, let's go ahead and look to see what's going on in the market right now. I'm just now looking at my charts. It's 9:48, so the market's been open for about 20 minutes now. So we continue to see a stair step to the upside, right? You can see it here on the 20, excuse me, 20, on the 12 range chart, as well as on the 60-minute chart. So we've been regaining, you know, a lot of most of the sell-off that took place. You know, we had this big move to the downside when price was pulling up, pushing up, you know, back in July and August, and we got this slump to the downside, sell-off. Price is turning back around at the beginning of this month and pushing back to the upside. And what is it doing? Well, we got this massive high sitting up here, right here. So we're approaching that area, trying to get up there, right? We're at what? Maybe 20 points. Let's see where we're at. 23. So not even 20 points, guys. I mean, we're looking maybe 16, 17 points away. So not much there, okay? Before reaching that area. And you can see all the different volume areas that price is built along the way on the upside. All right. So without further ado, let's look to see what happened in yesterday's session. Then we'll come back to the 60-minute. So, because I don't want to be able to, I don't want to miss any trades. So let's let me grab this from right here, and let's see. Looks like we may have a level sitting right here. Okay. Well, yesterday on the 12 range chart, yeah, we continue pushing up, guys. I mean, yesterday was the 19th, today's the 20th. Stair stepping to the upside, making higher highs and higher lows. We had a level sitting right here. This level right here. All right, price came back to it. See, price pushed up, pulled back, pushed higher, boom, came back to it. Lower end of the volume profile. Confirmed level there. Price rejected out of this area. Push higher, made a higher high. Excuse me, guys, and pushed back to this area. I'm drinking coffee this morning. And this was towards the close of the session yesterday, around about 2:45, 3 o'clock. Another entry to go long. Okay, test back to the highs here. Price pushed up again, and it came back and tested this area at 3 o'clock in the morning, guys. This would have been a beautiful trade. Back up to the highs right here. So, I mean, you got an opportunity here, push up here, and then the market pushed up. So, price came down here, test liquidity at this area here, pushed up higher. Came back down here again, testing, testing liquidity in this area right here. So that's what we're looking for: supply and demand zones, and we're trading off of that, you know, based on levels. So there's a level sitting right here. Okay, all right. So right here, I'm gonna take a look to see, but at 45.15, this is let's see. Hold on a second. Give me a second, guys. Is this a? I don't know if that's quite a level yet. I need to take a look at my move back and see if that's a level. But as it stands right now, price is actually pushing higher. Okay, so let's see. Let's go to the 60-minute chart. So yesterday, like I said, we were making higher highs and higher lows. So price is pulling back into, this is a retracement back into this area right here, guys. So right here. All right. So price is bouncing. We're at the upper end of a high volume area, and price could be definitely trying to bounce here, reject this area, and push lower. So let's see what happens. All right, I'm short. 1950. All right, so I want to, okay. All right, I'm taking a scalping here for, let's see here, 20, let's see. It's a point and a half. Point and a half there, so hopefully we get filled here. Come on, baby. Come on. Price can pull back. We know that. Okay. So let's see. I need to see if this is an area because we are at the lower end of this high volume area here. If this is a level sitting right here, I need to take a look and see because it possibly could be. I want to see if we're going to get filled here. Okay, what is this? 19.5. Okay. Come on. Look at there. One tick away. Go ahead, fill us. Ah, bounced off of it. Ah, what in the world? There we go. Finally got filled, guys. Okay. All right, so that's the first trade for today. That was a short entry at resistance. Let's see the area of resistance. I'll show you that. Looking on a 60-minute chart, we see there's a level sitting right here. This is an area of resistance, okay? Yeah, let me see. Taking a look here. Yeah, area of resistance here. So, all right. So we'll see what happens. So what we see happening here is that price formed a level right here. We have that red line at. We're pushed up, pull back, and push higher. Pulling back and we're tracing back to an area of resistance right here on the 60-minute chart. Okay. So this is, and it's at the upper end of a high volume area. I tell you guys that. Do not, if you're looking for it to go short, look for rejection at a level. Okay. And also look for the position of where the level is at. Here, the level is sitting at the upper end of this high volume area, and that's 45.24. And price is rejecting out of that area, so I went short. And I'm taking my short just down to this area, pretty much right here at pretty much 19.5. Price should come down here and test 19.5. We're only 2 ticks away, so pretty much we're there. So I saw that, and I took the short on the rejection. All right, so today is the 20th, of course, and let's see what's going on here. Okay. All right, guys, 1 second. Let's see here. Okay, so price, like I said, I told you guys it was going to come down at 19.5, right? What did it do? Came down at 19.5. All right, so this is just me, being able to read the reprice action. I waited for rejection at the top right here. So what do you guys see at the top? Remember I showed you where that level was sitting up there. Price rejecting. Come on, rejecting out of this area right here. This was there's a major swing right here. Price pushed down, pushed up, pushed lower here. But within this major swing, we have a little level sitting right here. And this is from September the 6th or 7th, somewhere in the area there, back in September, early part of September. And when we look at the chart here and price reached that area, what do you see? You see an M. Remember M? Shorts. W's, that's a formation to stalk or look for a loan. Price pushed up, pull back. Pushed up, pushing higher, boom, M. So what do? When price formed that M, push lower, we wait for it to come back to the M, and then we take our entry short. If you'd have done that, you would have picked up several points here. Okay? As simple as that. So, basically, I mean, in this video, I want you guys, if you're making mistakes in your trading, maybe some of you may be saying, well, what do I do if I'm making mistakes in my trading on pullbacks? If I'm taking pullback trades and I'm making mistakes. Maybe you guys are making those mistakes when you're trading looking for pullbacks. Well, you got to know how to trade it correctly. And what to look for is that M formation at the tops at a level at the top end of a high volume area, and look for that rejection. And when it forms that M, wait for it to fully form the M. Okay, we're here. It will trace back, right? Pull back, push down, pull back, close to the downside. Now we have the clear M formation right here. The M. You have to visually be able to see it. When price closed, made that M on the pullback. Okay, on the pullback, this is the entry where you take the long once that candle green, excuse me, that red candle closes to the downside. Take the trade short, not long. Take the trade short. At the bottom, you get the M formation, excuse me, the W formation at a confirmed level. Okay, you wait for the W formation at a confirmed level at the lower end of a high volume area. Okay, you'll see a W formation. If you get that W formation, wait for the clear W formation. Price to reject out of that W, meaning price forms the W, pushes up. On the retrace it back to the W is where you want to take the entry to go long. So follow those things. Just don't jump into that trade once price gets to that level, because you got to wait for the rejection. That's the key to it. Wait for the rejection at the level, because price may not always, stop and halt at that level. I mean, depending on how the market's moving, it can push right through it. So here we go. So yeah, we need to identify. Yes, I'm going to wait because I need to see if this is, let me look at here, 45, 15 or 16 area. Let me go back and see. 45, 15. I'm going to go back on my charts, guys. And this is my 12 range chart. Okay. Nope. It's got to be up here, 45, 15. All right, here we go. 45, 15. So let's see. 45, 13 and a half. Okay, let's see. Okay. Let me go back. Okay. 13 and a quarter, 3/4. Okay. 17 and a half. So let's see what price took out. Okay, this could be a level right here. The price took that area out. That's the key. That's the question. 17 and a half. Let's see. All right. And 23. 23 and 3. Let's see. Let me see this. Oops. Oh, yeah, it took that area out. Okay. Let's see. Did it? All this was moving to the downside right here. All this right here. So what I was looking for price to take this swing right here, would move down, swing to the downside, pushed up, and then I pull back and then push lower. See if we took this area here out. So, and now I'm trying to mark the area where the level sits at, and the level should be resting in this area right here. Right here. So this is where I mark 45.16. This is a level. So the question is now, what is the market doing? Okay. 17. Come back one more time and look at something. 18. Actually, 18. Let's see. This could be the level sitting right here. This is why price is bouncing right here. Yeah. This looks like the level right here. Okay. All right. So in this case, then what I want to do is, let's see, price break this area yet? If price breaks above this area here and pulls back, that could be a little entry long. We'll see. Back up to the high here, somewhere around maybe 45.23. It should pull back between 45.22 and 45.23. Let's see if it breaks. But we got the V pop right below us, so be careful. But this is a confirmed level, guys, right here. All right. So this area is sitting right here. Okay. And what I'm looking for is price to break above. Come on. Right here. Break above here. Come on, close above. Okay, I'm long. Yeah, right there. Price can come and test. Price can actually come down here and test this area. Probably, let's see. Let's see. Okay, I'm in a long. Now, I'm looking for price to come up and test that this high up here. Okay, and it can pull back before it goes higher, but you're getting the W formation right here at the level. Okay, we got to be careful though because we got the V pop right below us. Come on. I think I'm gonna go for a few ticks here. Um, yeah, price could actually. It's gonna be quite iffy. Correct. Yeah, I should really go for a few ticks here because there's not much of a. You don't have too much space here, so I'm just going for a few ticks here. You don't have much of a profit area to really take from. So I think I'll hold it. Pull up just a little. Come on. Mm, yeah, I'm taking a few ticks, guys, because price can bounce in this area right here. Okay. All right. So two little trades there. Okay, let's see. So I'll take one short and one long. All right, let's see what happens here. So price is an area where the liquidity is sitting right at the tops now. There's an area of supply. So um, Hmm. Price is testing the tops right here, the highs right here. So let's see what happens. All right, so prices approach uh, the highs right here. We're rejected out of. Okay, so we're still testing in that swing area level that I showed you from, I think it was September 6th or 7th, right here in this area right here. So we have some resistance right here. Um, let's see. Let's see what price is trying to do here. Is it going to push higher or is it going to push lower? Mm, okay. Is it going to push higher or is it going to push lower? That's what we want to see, right? Okay. We'll see what happens here. All right. Yeah, so if you're making mistakes, guys, and you're trading on pullbacks, just be patient. Wait to see if you see that M structure or that W formation structure. That's what you should be looking for. That's definitely what you want to look for. If you're looking to go long, W formation from the bottom of a volume area at a confirmed level, and to go short, an M formation at the top of a high volume area at a confirmed level. So make sure to pay close attention for those things. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Let's see. Hmm. Okay, so um, price did reject right here, but you don't have too much area to take a short from. Really, as far as profit, I mean, if you take a short here, you only really have a few ticks, to be honest with you, for profit. So hold off, and price is still pushing higher. So we'll see. Um, okay, see what's happening here. Let's see, 23. Nope. Let's see, 23. Okay. 22.5. Six. Okay. Okay. All right. So I want to see price break this area right here, 28.5. All right. Price breaks above this area here at 28.5, and then on a pullback, I'll be interested to go long, possibly where this we'll have this line here at this 43.24, I believe. Let's take a look. Yeah, somewhere in this area right here. The price pushes up and breaks, I think I said 28. Let's take a look. And this is a level from an area from September the 7th. September the 7th. So I want to see it break 28.5 if it can. Okay. If it can, I'm going to pull back to 24. That'll be the goal. All right. It's a level sitting right here if it can break that area. If price can break up and break 28.5, okay, I mean closing above 28.5 and then pull back 24 is a little high volume area right here. All right. Somewhere between 24.5 to 24. All right, let's see. See price bouncing out there. It's not wanting to take it out yet. Okay, let's see what happens. Going back to the 7th of September. It's got to break 28.5, 28 and actually 3/4. And it has not closed to the upside doing that yet. Nope. All right. Let's see what happens. Hmm. So let's just wait. I'm gonna be patient here. Um, I mean, there's some rejection going on here, but right below it you have support, so you have to be careful because even if you went short, you're not gonna have much of an area to take much of a profit. So be mindful of this area of support sitting right below. Okay. All right. Let's see what happens here. We have there's a level from the 7th of September that we're possibly, but we're actually bouncing. Okay. Let's see. We're bouncing in this area here, right up in here, guys. So swing level sitting right up in here. That price is getting some rejection. We're getting in from the tops of this little high volume area. So maybe we'll see if price rejects this area and we can get a pushback down to test 25 to 24 area. Let's see what happens. Back down to this level right here where I have this red line marked at. We'll see. Price can continue pushing higher, so let's be careful. Yeah, price is pushing higher. At some point we could get a pullback to this area right here. Okay. At 24. Okay. So we'll see what happens. But once price gets to your level, you got to wait for the rejection. So what I'm saying that is if price, rejects this area, pulls back to this level right here, what are we then looking for? Well, because prices come back to the level, all right, down here, we're going to be probably interested in going long if we can get that W formation and that failure sitting after the W formation. So once we get that W structure here, back on the pullback to the level, wait for the W structure. That tells me that price is failing there. Once it fully makes that W formation, and then rejects, pushes higher, it comes back to the W, that's when we want to take the trade long. So let's see what happens here. So right now we're not, price is pushing, pushing, pushing. So this could be a good area, possibility to maybe stock for a short. We'll see. This may be my last trade for this, not for the session maybe, but for this recording right now, because I'm doing this for informational purposes, guys, and training purposes for you guys. So let's see. Um, let's see what happens here. It's a waiting game. Being patient. Remember what I said? I think it was in yesterday's video. Be patient. Don't be impulsive about your trading, guys. If you haven't watched that video from yesterday, go back and watch yesterday's video. Me live day trading, but I was talking about being impulsive, and if you're an impulsive type person, you're going to have to learn how to be patient. Because that's the key to trading is having patience. First of all, the key to trading is really being able to read the market, following price action, but outside of that, as far as from a psychological standpoint, you got to be able to gain your composure and a matter of being patient, guys. That's the key. Hmm. Hmm. Let's see. So, yeah. So when I get quiet here, I'm paying attention to what the market's trying to do. Looking at I primarily look at my 12 range chart. I'm following that, and then I'm looking at, my entry chart, which is the 4 range. I don't make my entries based on, off the 12 range. I'm following this to show me what the bigger picture looks like, and then this is my entry chart and looking at, things from a micro standpoint. This is from a macro standpoint. This is from a micro standpoint, and then I look for the failure rejection to happen on my 4 range chart. Okay. Come on. Wait patiently, guys. Price has just been pushing higher. You know, we've been bullish for since the beginning of the month. I'm going to pause the video, guys, until I see full rejection here. What we see here. Well, we kind of see excuse me, an M formation. You know, price retrace, push down, retracing and pulling back, and we want to see the closure to the downside. Once we see that, then we take the trade on the pullback. So once the full M structure is formed, okay, and it closes to the downside, the last part of the M on the pullback to the M is where you want to take the trade. Now sometimes you don't see me do that because I jump into it. You know, I may be aggressive because I know what prices, I can tell what price is trying to do, and you'll get that. You'll get to that. You know, you'll get to that level once you spend some time. So from a conservative standpoint, wait for that W, wait for the M, and to the pullback to that area. Once it fully forms the M, then you wait for the pullback to the M. Come on. I'm in. Okay. I'm in this trade, guys. $25. Okay, 26.5. Yeah. Okay. Come on. And this trade should pan out for us. Hopefully it does. Okay. At this level here. Okay. We'll do something like okay. Damn what I do. I'll do this. Last contract at 27.25. Okay. So let this trade play out. You know, hopefully it moves in our favor. And let me see now. Should move in our favor. I'm not sure why price is pulling back so hard. Let's take a look here. Come on. 24.5. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna step away from the computer. I'll be right back. And just sit and watch the trade take place or play out. It should play out and we get filled on this trade here. So I'll be back in 1 second, guys. Be back. Okay, I'm gonna leave the recording going so you guys can watch the trade. And we'll be back in a second. Okay, looks like we got filled on one contract, but um, price is pulling back. Yep, pulling back. I'm not sure what it's trying to do here. Let's see. I don't want to see it. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, yeah, price could pull back up here to this area right here. Actually, a little higher probably. Okay. Okay. I'm going to try to go ahead and take out this trade here because price could be trying to play around here to push higher. Hmm. We got filled in that one contract, but I'm going to I'll go ahead and take out this trade, guys, because let's see. Let's take this area here out. Hmm. I don't want to see it break above 31 and a quarter, pretty much. I don't want to see it break down 31 and a half. So it's already came out at 31, and I don't want to see it break above. So here's the I'm gonna go ahead and take this trade out because price may be trying to push higher. I was looking at the rejection from the tops, which we did get, and you can take a trade. Let's see here. I'm gonna be honest with you. Let's see. Yeah, this could be a short right here at 31, back down um, to 29 and a quarter. So you can actually get a point on that trade there, on that move there, if you trade it right. But I'm gonna go ahead and take this trade out here. Um, Actually, I'll tell you what I do. I'm gonna go ahead and close it out right here. It'll hit 29 and a half. I'm gonna close out right here because I'm not sure if we're trying to push higher here or not. It should hit my profit target there. There we go. Okay, so we got filled there. Didn't lose anything. I'm just not 100% quite sure what it's trying to do here. If it's trying to push higher, push lower. It is rejecting the tops here, but we do have some little swing levels below us. But and looking at this, I believe price is trying to push lower. So okay, I'm going short because it's rejected this area again, so which tells me that it is trying to push lower. Okay, first contract there, 25.75. I'll do 26.75 just to be on the safe side. Okay. All right, so I'm short. Let's see what happens. This may take a little while for this to play out, but let's see what happens. Price is knee jerking back and forth. But yeah, guys, if you are having, if you feel like I'm getting emails from different people saying that, well, that their trades have improved. But I think the problem is a lot of people are jumping into the trade too soon versus waiting and fully being patient for that, for that structure, to see that structure. That structure, is right here. I mean, from the tops, what do we get? Well, you got the full formation here, First part of the M, price pushes down, pulls back, right? Last part of the M closes below. What do? Wait till the price pulls back into the M and closes with a red candle to go short, okay? You would have done that. You see where we would have been at? If you'd have taken your trade right here at the close of this red candle right here on the pullback to the M, kind of funky looking M, but it wasn't M. First part of the M, second part, third part, fourth part, full M. Price is formed at M. Pull back to the M, red candle there closes, boom, you're in the trade, okay? At 45.30, down to just below this little area right here, we're talking a point already. That's 4 or 5 ticks. So that's profit, Two contracts, that's $100 and some dollars, $125, so it just depends. I mean, we're scalping right now is what I'm trying to say we're doing, guys. So I'm looking for price to come back and test into this area right here at 45.25, or yeah, 45.25 area. And I'm hoping we get the continued move to the downsides, okay? So let's see if we get filled here. But yeah, that's what I'm looking for, guys. That's what I'm looking for. So we'll see what happens here. All right, we're hitting right at that point there. Price has got to, we'll see what happens here. But yeah. Come on, buddy. Push on down. So we'll let this trade play out, guys. Hopefully we get filled here. Pretty sure it will. But like I said, we have these areas, these little micro swings right here. So price it's got to clear these areas. All right, guys. Be back in a moment. Hopefully we get filled here and we can move on. And I'm gonna go ahead and try to, get filled in this trade here, and that'll be the end of this recorded session here. But you just take your trades, like I said, guys. Follow what I say, and you should be fine. As far as, not all times may pan out and work out. You got to know where to play, kind of pitch a mental stop loss or a physical stop loss at. But what I do, what I did from the beginning, I follow that structure, the M and that W structure. We'll go ahead, and price is going to bounce in this area. So we'll go ahead and take out right here. There we go. All right. So boom. Another successful trade. I think I see the third or fourth trade, but either way, I mean, the rejection was right there at the top. You saw that? You guys saw that rejection. The M formation came when price came back and was testing that area of resistance, like I told you, from, let's go back to the 27th of, I'm sorry, the 7th of September. Where we at? Right here. Price is rejecting. Price rejected this area right here, guys, at 45.30. The top end of this high volume area. When you see that, and you see the rejection take place at a high, at the top end of a high volume area at a swing level, which is resistance, look for the forward. Then you start to say, okay, is it going to make that M structure? When it does, fully makes that M structure, take the trade on the pullback. That's how I learned, okay? That's what I did. And then, what are we doing? We're coming down here to 45. We're at 45.26 right now. We're 1 point away, which is 4 ticks. I already called it, guys. I mean, I can see what it's going to do once it rejects. Once it rejects, that's going to tell you everything what it's going to do, whether rejecting from the tops or the bottoms. And once you see that, then you take your trade. Guys, that's going to be it. This is kind of a long-winded video, but I just wanted to I wanted to do this video to maybe answer some questions and maybe give you some additional information about if you're taking trades at pullbacks and it doesn't quite work out for you. It's more likely because you're not waiting for the full rejection, which is you're clearly seeing that W formation or that M formation, and that's it. So we're at 45.25 and a half. Okay, I said it would come down to that area, right? And it did. All right, so wait for the rejections, guys, what I'm really trying to tell you. So what could happen if price rejects at this area right here, this level? It could turn back around, test the highs, okay? So why? Because we have an area of supply sitting up there now. There's supply, there's money, there's liquidity sitting there, okay? So if you don't kind of understand that concept, take it piece by piece, you know? And you know, if you got a question about supply or demand zones, email me, send me an email. I'll be more than likely, be more than glad to answer your question. So, all right, so here's an area price can bounce at. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. It can bounce and push right back up to this area here. I want to see it come a little lower though, in all honesty. So we'll see. But okay, all right. I'm in a quick little trade to the upside. Price can come a little lower, but yeah. If it's your first time watching one of the videos, I hope you found some of this information, you know, valuable. And if you don't mind, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. I mean, you know, I have nothing to sell. I just want to be able to give little, you know, give information to those that may be trying to learn how to trade, or a beginner, and maybe you're one of those, and maybe you're trying to learn a new strategy to trade, or whatever the case is. But either way, I'm just here, guys. I'm here to help and share my the information that I know and how I've been trading for years. So take care, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Please drop a like on the video if you don't mind. Talk to you and see you in the next video. Hopefully we get filled right here so we can end this out. Come on, baby. Go ahead. Oh, pull back on us, right? All right, so we could push a little lower, you know, into this area right here. I'm going to go ahead and close this out because I want to go ahead and close the video out. Come on. Okay, it wants to push lower now. I'm going to take this trade out, guys, because I'm going to go ahead and close the video out. Come on. Okay, there we go. Close the trade out. But yeah, see, it's hitting that profit area where I have my profit target at. All right, so anyways, guys, I just want to go ahead and say thank you for following the channel, guys. You know, if you guys continue to subscribe to the channel and drop likes and show me that you're finding the information valuable, I'll continue making content every day and sharing my live trade sessions with you guys, which I don't mind doing because it's just my way of being able to maybe help somebody. And I personally believe, you know, I say this in lots of my videos, I'm a type of person that if you know something or know how to do something, why not share it with other people that may be trying to learn the same thing, you know, help people along. So I'm gonna leave you guys with that. I appreciate everyone following the channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. If you're trading, be safe in the market, guys.